What is the best oversold market strategy? Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we're thinking about several setups, and this week we monitor several currency pairs. Let me start from the beginning. The first one that I monitor is British pound dollar, and what is the important thing for this currency pair is that we are, first let me look at the daily chart, we are in strong bearish trend, and we can see that from the March 2022 up till now we're trying to be around 1.3 level, and we're trying to see will this level hold. This level is very strong. I will just draw that on the chart right now. It's around, this is the 1.3. So you see how price from the March 10 till now oscillate about this level, and there is a possibility that we can see the breakdown in the price go down, but as we can see whole month this price level hold, and because of that we have two possible scenarios. The first one, we can see attempt to bullish side, and we need to see, for example, the push at least to 1.32, 326, something somewhere here, and then maybe to see either the more bullish, either to go down and maybe to break 1.3. This is the one scenario, and another scenario to see some strong breakup below 1.3 level and to see more bearish trend. However, if we watch relative strength index right now, you can see that we are very close to 30 level. What is the interesting thing when we talk about US currency pairs like euro dollar, British pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, etc., etc.? When we have a strong bearish trend, usually relative strength index has a very strong 60 level, and price below the 60 level sometimes oscillate between a 40 and 60, and we are right now just below the 40 level, and this is something that I monitor last 20 years, and there is a very high probability that we can see some small push upside, some short-term recovery. We are already on the bottom, but I don't like to sell or buy on the bottom. I want to see some kind of confirmation. What I want to see is that price breaks and went to 1.306. So I want a 60 pips up from now to see as a confirmation, and then maybe to enter into trade and to see some maybe 1 day or 2 days trying to pull back and trying to break this resistance, and to maybe to go to the 60 level on 1 hour chart. So this is the main approach, that price can go in one scenario from 40 to 60. So I will monitor that, and maybe I will enter at 1.306 and try to achieve maybe half daily average to range profit there. And this is one of the setups that I have. So my strategy when market is oversold, I don't like to try to buy on the bottom, because I don't know what will happen. Very often we can see strong movement down. It's a counter trend. If you try to go against the trend. So because of that, I will just wait, see are there any confirmation, and then enter to see some short-term trade and to see what will happen. So this is my setup. If you like to buy British pound, of course the best approach is British pound Japanese yen, but I wanted to enter today. I wanted to enter on the level 165.1. it's a pivot point area. As you know, I don't watch pivot point as price level. I like area above and below pivot point, and I wanted this area. As you can see, in the midnight we touched this area and then going up and without any pullback here, and I didn't create a trade because I missed it. And of course now it's dangerous to buy on this kind of resistance, and I will wait for see some any pullback and maybe enter again in some buy trade or etc. We will see. Right now I'm flat for British pound, Japanese yen. As you know, I'm keeping still my sell trade. You know my bearish outlook for Euro Norwegian krona. I created a special video. You can go and see previous video from the last week, and you can enjoy and see all facts, what they're talking about oil price, everything as about this trade. You know, I told them this is the long-term trade. So I am the profit right now. You can see, just to show you, last week we had a bearish candle, so I'm in profit from the last week, and I hope that we will go down and see more bearish trend for European Norwegian krona. Even the war stop between Russia and Ukraine, even anything happens good, and market recover in the oil industry and everything, because in the long term countries will try to buy oil from Norway. And because of that, I see that the Norwegian industry and oil industry will be very strong, and currency very strong. And I see that they will be stronger than the euro. So because of that, I'm short euro dollars, Norwegian krona, and you just need to monitor and to see what happened here. Of course, I just want to say another time, because I always say that this is not investment decision channel when I ask you something to do. This is only my opinion, my trades. I share everything with watchers and subscribers and all people. Here you can ask questions, you can ask my opinion. Of course, my humble opinion is not something important here. This is just my simple opinion. You can ask, we can share some thoughts about industry, about fundamental analysis, about current economy, about current fundamental approach for a lot of countries, etc., etc. And as you know, more as you know, less you fear. So this is the best strategy. So against now Euro Norwegian krona, and the last thing that I want to watch is bullish channel for US dollar CAD. As you know, right now I wanted to make short trade in this blue rectangle pivot point area, but as you can see, when the US market open, I like to watch US market open, and 1 hour after that we can see that there is some push upside. I don't like that. I wanted to see push below, and I want to sell. I want to sell and create one swing trade, short-term swing trade. Again, my stop loss level is 1.267. And I want to enter into trade, but I want to see bearish candle here. I want to see some push below this pivot point area, below this red line, and to try to achieve some stronger bearish trend. I will see what will be the target level. For now, this is the low from the last time, but I think we can go more deeper down. Why I'm selling this? Like I said, I believe that Canadian oil and export industry will be stronger. I believe in the stronger CAD, and because of that, I hope that this US dollar CAD, we can see some bearish trends in the future. Of course, you need to monitor relative strength index. You can monitor on several time frames. This 30-minute time frame is excellent if you just draw this. So I can say if we see some kind of a break attempt of this relative strength index line, trend line, I can go short here and try to achieve some kind of a profit. So we will see. I want to monitor too. I'm just caution. I will monitor whole market, see the news and everything, but this is my setups for this week. So I share with you. Please, you can write comment here in this video. You can share comments in other videos. I watch everything, and in the future, in the new videos, I will try to make some answer your questions if you have, and etc. So please, if you don't understand that this is my trade related to European Euro, Norwegian krona, you can see my previous video. And till now, I wish you a great day, and bye bye.